So in the previous video, in the part one of this video, we saw how to set up the digital experience site. The next we are gonna set up. We have also set up the queue name, the chat channel with which we are gonna chat. And so the next steps we are gonna do is how to set up the settings of the builder of the site we created, digital experience site, and also how to build up an Einstein bot. So there are just a few more steps remaining. So yeah, so I think we left it here. Yeah, we left it here. We created the queue name and all. After that, the next step is okay. So we have to go to chat, then chat settings, and copy the URL in the chat API endpoint. Okay, so let's go to setup. We have already opened it. So let's just go to chat settings. So, second, chat settings, and we'll get an chat API endpoint. We'll just copy the URL in this notepad for the future purposes. Okay, anyway, so the next is we have to okay, yeah. So the next is we have to go to the builder, the site we created. This is the builder. So if you want to access it, you can access it from here. Like one second. So you just go and click builder, and it will come here. Okay, the same page will open. We got our builder here. This is the site we created, the digital experience site. So the next step is you can see here we have to change the security and copy the URL which we copied into one of the trusted sites. Okay, settings. First of all, go to settings. Then I think we can. It's in security privacy. Yeah, security privacy. So we will go to allow, and then in trusted site. Okay, let me just copy it. Paste it here. Add site. Let's see. Yeah, we got the site added, trusted site name, and the status is active. You can see, check active. Now the next thing is we want to drag the embedded service chat. Let's go to components. Okay, let me close it. Components. Here's the components, and we are gonna find embedded service chat. Let's find it. You can see in support, and we have to drag it to the template footer. Okay, I think we are done. You can see clearly chat deployment, Ceptes agents, display chat button, all the settings which are required have come here. And I think, yeah, so publish the site. I think we need to publish it. Let's, okay, recent changes, publish, yeah. So we are gonna publish the site. Got it. Okay, so let me show how it looks in the preview. So if you okay, I think agent is offline, that's why it's not opening. But yeah, so once we set up the Omni channel and all, it will show chat with an expert, and we can open it. Anyways, so let's go to enabling. Let's go to enable the ancient bot. Okay, chat settings. Let me close this and let's skip it. Let me close this. This also. Yeah. So let's go to and sorry. Okay, now we are gonna enable this. It's on input recommendations. If you want, you can do that also. I think not ready. Okay. So here comes like we want to create a new bot here. So we will just go to create a new bot. If you want to use a template or something, we can use that also. But we are gonna start from scratch. So let's go to scratch. Enter your bot name. Let's give it Ceptes. Next. Okay. Let's give a random dialog name. Whatever there is written, we can actually edit the dialogues and dialog names afterwards. But let's just give my order. I got a problem in products. Okay. So we're just gonna keep that. Next, embedded service deployment. Obviously, Ceptes agents. And next, we can also keep the embedded service deployment afterwards. But as we have already created the queue name and the deployment service, so I just mentioned that. Okay. So next is proceed, and it will create a new bot. Yeah, that's all it's needed, and it will direct us to the builder of the bot. Now let's see the interface, and let's explore a bit. So you can see dialogues is present here. We have overview here. In overview, we can see like all the requirement, all the details about the bot. If you want to add channels here, we can also add that and the channel and the deployment. Uh, and these are the dialogues, the one we saw. Second. Yeah, so dialogues, check my order, report a problem, welcome, main menu, transfer agent. We have to activate the bot. I think, yeah, we equally have to activate the bot. So, okay, let me show. If we activate the bot here, and let me show the preview. We cannot preview here in the new system. I think we are not able to preview here, so we have to preview it in the experience builder. Okay, so let me just. Uh, preview. Activate. It's not opening. Okay, I think we have to set up the Omni channel. Anyways, so this is the thing, and the next we have to go for the Omni channel. We have to enable the Omni channel. For enabling the Omni channel, we need to go to the service console. Okay, service console. Okay, so before that, let's type Omni channel. Omni. You can see your omni channel limits. So if the omni channel is not enabled, we can just go to omni channel settings. I have already enabled the omni channel. So if it is not enabled, just have a tick on it and it will be enabled. And you can see here we have the omni channel offline here. So once we just go to available, let's say it's logging in and I will look to chat. Now we can go. You can see here. Now it comes chat with an expert. Okay. Now the bot will open and the details test. Okay. So we can see here. Now we can work on the. Now we can see the bot. I am Ceptes, and the three dialogues we just gave at the beginning of building the bot. So yeah, so that's how we can create a bot. Uh, it's a few steps we have to take. And to preview it, we have to preview it in the experience builder on the site we created. Whatever changes we make sure to save and then activate it, because otherwise if you just activate it directly, it doesn't save it. So yeah, make sure to save then activate, and we can see the changes whatever we made it here. uh, yeah, so in the next video we are gonna explore a bit about, like, what we can add in the dialogues. Okay, let me just deactivate it for the moment. 1 second. Flow chat. Okay, and let's go offline. Okay, yeah. So just show it. Whenever we have activated the bot, we cannot actually edit it. So yeah, so you can see here. Let me show. We have entities, variables, and model management, performance. Yeah, so we are gonna in the upcoming videos we are gonna dwell into entities, variables, how we can mention that, and how we can build up entities and variables for our building up dialogues, how what is message, question, action, rules, and everything. So you can clearly see there is a thing called model management here. We can train our bot and check the model F1 score, bot training, all the intents. You can see that here, but we don't have enough intents to build the bot right now. Okay, let me just show. So if we just go for here, you can see it. We can only turn on the Einstein to generate a learning model if we have at least 20 utterances before we use Einstein. Okay, so we need to have 20 utterances. Dialogue intently. Sure. Okay, so we need to have 20 utterances here minimum. But the bot works best with 50 plus utterances per intent. So let's say check my order. So we can add, like, here, let's say order. Okay, let's say my order, or let's say where is my order. So once we give out, like, the various possibilities, like the 50 types of possibilities, how a customer can how a customer can give an input to the bot. So that's the those like that will help the bot to train and to understand, like, what the customer wants. So we can give 20 utterances at least, and I think the best number of utterances is 50, as I said. So I showed you like that. So we are gonna dwell into that also, and also we have an action here. So we are gonna dwell into how to connect a flow in the upcoming videos. We are gonna see how to connect a flow to the bot and to see the changes in that. Okay. So I think for this video, that's it from my side. And yeah, so I think we did good, and we have checked all this. I think I'm not missing anything. Yeah, so that's it from my side for this video. So make sure to subscribe this channel, like, comment, and share. And yeah, thank you.